Rohitji and Kaushikji, can we on our video? Yes. Can we start? Should I start, Kaushikji? Okay. So
Sure.
Yes. So good
Hello.
afternoon, everyone. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mukesh Batra. I would like to welcome all of you for joining this webinar. I am working as a MD and CEO for Harmony Infra Solutions Private Limited. And House Seekers is our brand name. So I want to brief about House Seekers before moving. House Seekers is a fastly growing technology-driven company. We have our business spread across Mumbai, Delhi, and Pune with more than 600 happy customers. Our aim is to enable home buyers to make the right choice at right time. We always wish to make home buying journey very simple and memorable for all our customers. And we achieve it by our and through assistance. Our valuable team of experts always guide to all our customers to make an intelligent and good choice when it comes to buying a real estate. And we provide you with advice based on your requirement with the support of our social corridor. At House Seekers, transparency is the key to foster a culture of trust and understanding with every home buyer who walks in through our doors to seek our trusted service. Our thorough and meticulous process always minimize the risk of investing in the wrong project, and we never charge any single rupees from all our customers. So this is the time to introduce about our speakers. So before moving, I want to introduce about Mr. Kaushik Patel. He's as a general manager in sales and marketing at Xanadu Realty. Welcome, Mr. Kaushik.
Thank you.
And Mr. Rohit Singh, he's a realty expert from Xanadu Realty. Welcome, Mr. Rohit.
Thank you.
So before moving, I will request to Mr. Kaushik. Mr. Kaushik, if you can explain to all our customers, to all our attendees, why we all are here and what is the opportunity which today we are going to announce for all our customers, then definitely it will help to all our attendees to understand about this opportunity.
Sure. Thank you, Mukeshji. So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Kaushik Patel, and we are here today to introduce you pre-launching of seaside plots at Dapoli. Now, just to set up the concept, we all aspire to buy a land, but we all are equally scared as well because of various things like encroachment, or we don't know whether the paperwork will be clear for buying that particular land parcel, and certain other doubts, and wherein there is lack of transparency. What we are going to do here is all these problems will be resolved by us. Everything will be cleared by us, so that when a consumer is buying a product, there is transparency maintained, and all these nitty-gritties are taken care of. So yes, we are happy to introduce you seaside plots, rather branded seaside plots, under the umbrella of House of Abhinandan Lodha. My colleague Rohit will be taking you through a presentation which will explain you about the product. The first part of the presentation will mention why one should invest in land, and the second part of the presentation will mention about the product. So we will just request you for your 20-minute attention for us to present the product to you. Yeah, thank you everyone again. Over to you, Rohit.
Yes, thank you so much. So we'll request Rohit to start it.
For bringing this a place and platform. Thank you, Mukesh, for bringing this platform for everyone to join here, and allow me to explain this overall prospect and what exactly we are bringing in the market. I'm very sure that when I will start explaining, when I will start presenting in front of everyone what exactly this thing is, it will create a huge excitement in the people's mind that how convenient today a buying process of a land has become. So just give me a second's time. I'm presenting a screen in front of you, everyone. And before that, a very good afternoon, each and everyone who has joined us today. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. I hope the screen is visible, Mukeshi.
Yes, Rohit.
Yes, Rohitji, it's visible to all of you.
Okay, great. So basically, as Kaushik sir also talked about that today we are bringing an opportunity in the market, and how exactly that opportunity is. So when you think about buying a land process, it is not something that comes or occur in your mind in a very regular interval. It is something kabhi dimag mein aa jata hai ki let's go and invest something in land. And investment is a really very important part of the of our whole life cycle. And why exactly it's really important? Because it helps you to create a wealth. And why people are actually creating a wealth? Maybe because everyone desires to have a brighter tomorrow, a memorable experience, or maybe a retirement plan that everyone desires to have, maybe in your pre times or maybe in your post times. But how exactly people have been investing till date, mainly on the daily basis? Maybe someone who is going ahead with the stocks, with gold, with FDs, or maybe with the apartments or houses. But how exactly these things are working out for everyone? So this is something that stocks, which are really very people who tends to take a risk, who are ready to take a risk, but they know that they can really earn something really good in the market. They go ahead with the stocks. But apparently it also comes with a very high volatility. If there is a losses, then it's a huge loss as a person has to incur. Then we talk about the gold. Now, gold is something which is a risk hedging. Apparently, it's the safest asset that we can talk about, but you don't expect a really good returns out of it. You keep it just because it's an Indian culture to invest upon. And the returns that you get is only at a time of financial crisis. Then you have FTs. That is apparently a very planned, comes with zero risk. मतलब पैसा डाला है, सही जगह है, safe है. You know absolutely. But apparently the only concern that you hardly get any returns. The returns is hardly somewhere ranging 5.5.25%. Maybe a person who is senior citizen, he might be getting 6 to 6.5%, but not more than that. And when we talk about the houses, then house is something that is a safest asset that also ensures it gives you the higher returns. It ensures it gives you two different returns. One is your rental income. Second is your sellable returns. But apparently there you have got one concern or one barrier, and that barrier is your exit and your entry. Your exit has to take, so your entry has to be with a minimum ticket size of 30 to 40 lakhs rupees. And your entry has to be a longer period because resale इतना जल्दी भी नहीं होता है, थोड़ा टाइम लगता है एक सही कस्टमर ढूंढने के लिए. But when we talk about the land may every minus points of other investment portfolios becomes plus. Land allows you to invest minimal ticket size. Land is the most safest asset. At the same time, land ensures that it keeps on giving the most highest returns. So just to prove my fact, just to prove my statement, there is a number being quoted from the Knight Frank, which is the India's #1 company in terms of the investment portfolio studies. That has showcased that from 2008 to 2018, land has been one such asset which has given the maximum returns, that is of 134%. When you look at any other investment, right from your equities to your mutual funds to your FDs, those have been ranging only from 6 to 65%. That's almost a gap of 80%. That's a huge gap that you're getting in terms of the returns when you invest in a land. So why exactly land is giving you such a higher returns? Because land is an evergreen asset class, and it's absolutely true that no one is making it anymore. You have the opportunity today, buy it today. Because when you buy it today, your supply of the land is really very less, but demand has always been growing higher and higher. Hence, it becomes a timeless asset which never depreciates. Second, it steadily appreciates. Why? Because unlike other investment portfolios, it doesn't depend upon that on the market scenario or the financial crisis or the GDPs to get an appreciation. It only depends on the development and inflation. And apparently, India is a country which has an inflation growing by 2 to 3% year on year. And secondly, your development is something that India is a developing country. Even a road is being getting constructed next to your plot, you get a very high appreciation. Minimum, you can expect 8 to 9% on a minimum side. Hence, it becomes steadily appreciating. And third, to definitely, it's very important point, which apparently everyone knows, that land is one such asset which keeps on passing through in generation to generation. I'm very sure people who are viewing this video, viewing this webinar with us, even they would have got many of the lands from their ancestors. So, but still, there are times that people don't go ahead with the investment in land. And why exactly is so? Maybe because it's really very extremely difficult to acquire. Exactly what Kaushik sir was also trying to explain earlier. Because you might find multiple options on Google when you search for a land, but you don't know proper idea of what exactly a land has to be. You might end up buying a land, but that's just a barren land with no such support like your electricity, water supply, or maybe even the roads also in and around the vicinity. Many a times you might end up buying a land, but a proper demarcation is not there with a proper fencing. And what happens then? There is a encroachment fear from your neighborhood itself. They will come and claim that अरे ये तो मेरी property है, आपके पास 20 feet आपका अंदर चला गया है मेरा. So those are the things that keeps on happening. And the very important thing, the paperwork. People who go with the real estate investment, they know कि registration होता है. But what if their people is going ahead with an investment in land? There are documents which are like 7/12 extract, NA certification. Now those are something a person needs to really know. And what if a person don't know? They might end up getting into a unclarity on the terms of deed and ownership documents. So till now, what I talked about, a very basic thing, that land is one thing that is giving the maximum returns, but it is also coming at a cost of high risk. But still, people who really know that what is the importance of the land, they go ahead with a land investment. Why so? Because they know that land is one thing that can really help them fund their children's future education. Maybe they know that it can really help them accumulate a particular amount in future and allow their family to take a tour across the world. Maybe for a person who has recently started his career, he knows that today I can invest a small amount and in future it will give me a huge returns, and that returns I can easily convert, put it to start my business. And few of the many peoples are very clear in their mind कि boss मुझे यहाँ पे अपना dream house बनाना है. So what we as House of Abhinandan Lodha, as a brand, what we guys are trying to do in the market, we are trying to change this overall scenario of the risk. We are trying to eliminate all the risks that are involved in terms of buying a land ownership. And how exactly we are doing? We are launching a concept that is a branded land concept. And how exactly is this different from land? So land is just a land parcel for sale, but branded land is a proper curated land parcel. That's a proper 70 acres of a development of mine, a proper gated community so that no external factors gets involved inside, plus a proper 800-meter distance from the seaside. Then all the infrastructure that is there supposed to be happen, like electricity, water supply, roads, everything will be done before your position itself. Then, or be it a smaller plot size or be it a bigger plot size, in that 70 acres, every plot will have a proper demarcation with a 2 feet height of a fencing, or maybe with a red bricks walls also. Then definitely Abhinandan Lodha entering into the picture. He is known to design the world-class amenities, and henceforth you will be experiencing that same thing in the form of thematic development. All the documentations which I was talking earlier, all will be properly done and handed over to you more or less at the time of registration and your possession period. And your whole property is going to be professionally managed right from your smartphone. So we are installing a security that can be accessed right from your application model, and you can access your property right from sitting any corner of the India. So I just talked about that my property is very nearby to the seaside. How exactly it is helping to a client? So it becomes two benefits. One, so it definitely becomes a dream asset. Everyone desires to have a house or a property which is just next to the seaside, having a sea view and everything. Secondly, it also ensures that it always keeps you giving the higher appreciated amount of value. So people who are residing in Mumbai, people residing in Chennai, they know that what exactly the importance of seaside is. A property which is just located near the seaside or always got a higher appreciated value of minimum 60 to 75%. A very basic example that can be talked about the Bandra. Bandra may have two different locations. One is a bandstand, second is a Turner Road. Both are just next to each other, just 10 minutes walking distance. But still, bandstand is bang sure on the sea line. It has got 60% higher value than what a Turner Road has to give you. That's the benefit you are getting. So till now, what I talked about, a refresher. So I talked about the land that is a recession proof, which apparently always ensure that your property never get depreciated. I talked about land by the sea, which always ensure that it becomes a dream asset, as well as it also keeps you giving the higher appreciated value than what the other properties has to offer you in the nearby vicinity itself. And now I would be presenting you that what exactly my offering is. That is the branded land by the sea. That will ensure that it will give you an authenticity of becoming a price holder in this new entry level market of Dapoli, rather than just being a price follower, what apparently everyone is going to be in the coming times after you entering here. So please allow me to introduce my codename Bliss, that is being brought from the house of Abhinandan Lodha. Now Bliss talks about the branded land investment stock schemes. So before I explain you that what this terminology means, let me showcase you a small video that will give you a whole representation that kya hai ye Bliss. So 1 second.
Ever dreamt of staying close to the blissful sea, the splendid mountains, and perhaps even your heart? Introducing Codename Bliss. Discover seaside lifestyle plots at Dapoli from the house of Upland and Lothar. Discover a life bestowed with nature's finest blessings. Imagine waking up to the breathtaking view of the hills, taking a leisurely stroll on the beach, letting loose with your kids in the lush greens, connecting back with the simpler joys of life, and indulging in a lifestyle thoughtfully curated just for you. A breezy 5-hour drive away from both Mumbai and Pune, Dapoli and its magical charm is sure to mesmerize your mind, titillate your senses, and soothe your soul. Choose a lifestyle that comes with the promise of a growing investment and the assurance of one of the most inspiring legacies in real estate. The pristine mountains are waiting for you. The azure waves are calling. It's time you truly experienced bliss with your choice.
So I'm sure after looking at this video, everyone would be excited. Everyone would be wanting to experience in actual terms that what exactly this place is. So now I will take you a overall tour that what my product has to offer you. And I'm very sure that this will excite you in such a manner that immediately you guys will remove your phone, go ahead with an application. So Bliss is something that is a game changer opportunity, a complete game changer opportunity in terms of buying a land. So the terminology that is branded and investment stock schemes. What exactly is this meaning? So branded talks about the brand that is the house of Abhinandan Lothar. Then a land, which is apparently a seaside land plot. Then the investment, which is an upcoming location, Dapoli. So now when we talk about the Dapoli as a location, it has got a huge potentiality to give you the very high returns. And why is so? Because Dapoli is blessed to be supported by 9+ major big infrastructure that some are already been under the process and some will be coming up. And because of those reasons, Dapoli has been seeing continuously 12 to 15% year-on-year growth from previous 3 to 4 years year. And that's the thing that will really excite you when you look at the future returns. That will be a very huge returns that I will explain the further slides. Then you have got the stocks option. Now stocks is something that you can buy in the multiples. So the minimum size that you're having is of 2,500 square feet of a plot. So what you can do, you can keep on multiplying those units as per the compatibility of your size visibility, or maybe as per the comfortability of your finances, that how much money you want to put in. And then you have a scheme that is a simplified digital buying process. So I'm very sure people would have invested in real estate or many other places in terms, but they wouldn't have noticed such an easy buying process till date. This has become as easy as buying a product over an Amazon or a Flipkart. फोन में ओपन किया, फोन में चेक किया प्रोडक्ट क्या है, कैसा है, you like something and you proceed with the application or the booking. So when Bliss I'm talking about, so I talk about it's a seaside life. So what exactly a seaside life has to offer you? It has to offer you a calmness, a relaxation of a state of a mind. It has to give your respiratory system internally feelings. Then it encourages your lifestyle. It gives you a sense of pride. It gives you a sense of observant, and it gives you a sense of experimental in terms of your lifestyle and your surroundings. And what exactly Bliss has to offer you in reality is something, a plot sizes ranging from 2,500 to 50,000 square feet in sizes. Here the FSI is itself is 1.27 times. That's the highest FSI that ever a development has got in Dapoli. Till date, Dapoli has the FSI of any development ranging from 0.5 to 0.8 only. But this is the largest, this is the highest FSI. So this gives you an opportunity to bring your imagination to the reality of designing a house or a villa or a mansion as per your choices. So when I talk about the Dapoli, now Dapoli is one such single place in India which is called as coastal hill station, and not just coastal and not just hill station. Why? Because here you enjoy two different beauties of the world, that is your mountains and your seas at one single place. Apparently many people visit Bali, that is the international trip that people take to enjoy the same nature, that is the mountains and seas interacting with each other. that same offering India has to offer you in Dapoli. And that's the reason it could be easily be accessed all as a mini Bali of India. So now, when I talk about Bali, there has been a huge history involved in terms of this location of Dapoli. So apparently in 1800s there has been a military camp by the Britishers, and henceforth today also you get to see many churches in and around the vicinity. It has got a very huge potentiality to become the next Alibai by 2025. This is something that I was talking earlier. You're already getting an appreciation of 12 to 15% year on year. If the same price, I'm not saying kuch extra push aane wala hai. I'm saying if the same price continues for the coming period, still by 2025 you would end up getting a returns of 150 plus percentage appreciation. Now, that's a huge appreciation. Why? Because today Dapoli is a market. Today Dapoli is a price market. Is exactly the same what Alibag was in 2010 or 11. But Alibag took almost 10 years of a period to get that 150 plus appreciation. But Dapoli is in a position where Dapoli can easily get that same appreciation in just a period of 5 years. That's almost in a half of the period getting that same appreciation. Dapoli has always been a nature best kept secret. Apparently, people have been got bored of visiting like Goa or Lonavala and other places, and henceforth, Bliss or Dapoli as a location has been getting explored a lot in last few previous years. So it has been found out that Dapoli has always been a hidden coastal paradise, a paradise which was hidden, which was a kind of hidden gem for everyone. Now people have started exploring. There you get to see multiple quaint beaches. One of the beaches is named as Kolthare Beach, which is just next to our development. Then it has been a part of the UNESCO World Heritage because of its clean air. And secondly, it has in this location, the hill station of it, there are multiple species of the birds are found. At the same time, one of the best places in India to spot dolphins because of its clean and pure water. And definitely, it has been a part of the Maratha local history. Henceforth, you get to see mandirs, temples, forts, and many small villages to explore around. So here I will talking about that. What are the reasons that have actually been giving you the appreciation? So as I talk that some are already having a presence, some are in process, and some are coming up. So here exactly that I will be talking to those things. So very first connectivity that you have is the Khed railway station, which is apparently hardly 40 minutes distance away from our development. At the same time, there is a new introduction of the railway station happening. That is your Mahad railway station. So if a person wants to come down at Dapoli, he can come down via 2 different railway station spots. Second, very soon people from the Mumbai can easily access a waterway service that is from Belapur Marina that is being constructed and it's expected to complete by next 1.5 years time. So you can easily take a jetty services from Belapur Marina, come down at Harnai Port that itself is in Dapoli in a period of only 70 minutes. And as closer the time distance you have from the metro cities, the higher pricing you keeps on getting the appreciation. Thirdly, the current nearest international airport that Dapoli has is the one that itself is in Mumbai in Santa Cruz location, which is apparently 240 kilometers. But once this new Panvel International Airport is functional, this will reduce the distance by almost 85 kilometers and it will be nearest one, that is 165 kilometers. And जितना आपके पास international airports आते जाते हैं, आपकी pricing उतनी ही बढ़ते जाती है. And the good news is that New Panvel International Airport has already got the permission to go ahead with the cargo shipments by 2021 Q1. So for the initial 2 years, they would be going ahead with the testings, and after that, they will get the permission for the passenger flights. Now, this is something that everyone desires. So whenever a person is going on a trip or something, they desires to go via road trips, to take a road trip. So Mumbai-Goa highway is the one connection from Mumbaikars that they can take. So currently it's a 2-lane highway, the National Highway 17, but it's been expanded to a 6-lane highway. And the good thing is that 60% of the work to construct a 4-lane has already been completed. Secondly, people coming from Pune can easily cross Tamini Ghat, come to Mangaon, and once again connect to Mumbai-Goa highway. Now that Tamini Ghat, which is a big stretch, even that is a 2-tar road, but it is expanded to 4-tar road. Now, what exactly these things are doing? These things are ensuring that your time distance really reduced by a very minimal time. Secondly, it also keeps you giving the appreciation. At the same time, you are getting an upcoming infrastructure to improve your economy in Dapoli market. So for this, there are 2 major projects that are coming up. That is Tiki Port, and secondly, it's directly connected with DMIC, that is Delhi Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is one of the biggest projects of India at this moment. And both are directly interlinked, directly connected with each other. So all the international trades that are supposed to happen from the foreign countries will happen at Digi Port, which is apparently very nearby the Dapoli area. And henceforth, following to that, all the transportations will happen via then VMIC towards your Delhi market. So what exactly this will do? This will bring the workforce labor. This will bring the employability, and this workforce will ensure that the cash inflow, the money inflow in the Daboli market keeps on increasing year on year, and that ensures that your economy grows. Then, in terms of the land parcel, where exactly the land parcel is. So this is the Google Map image that you guys visible on your screen. So here, where I'm rotating my cursor right now, here you can see a blue color markings in a U-shaped form. Now that is my 70 acres of the development, a bliss. And it is apparently 800 meters away from the seaside. And if you look at clearly at the picture, this whole development is on a hill cliff top, apparently a slant that you can say. How exactly you see multiplex from bottom down to the upper side. So accordingly, your house heights also keep on increasing as you keep on going at the beyond areas. Then here is your Kolthare beach, the beach that I was talking about. So if a person wants to come down at Kolthare beach, he has got two options. Either he can take a car or either he can easily walk down. So if a person is taking a car, he needs to travel from this yellow color marked road that is 1.5 kilometer, or either a person can, rather than taking this road, a person can easily walk down here and come straight towards Kolthare beach. That is just 800-850 meters of a distance, a 10 minutes of walking time. And these are the actual photographs of the site. I'm sure people would be excited to see, and many people would have been waiting ki kuch to dikhao yaar, kya hai wo location. So this is the very first image from the very first line. Then you get to see the second image, slightly from the side area, and your third image. Now in the third image, you can see an example that how exactly every plot will be demarcated with a 2 feet height of a fencing, or maybe with this kind of a red bricks wall. Now I will be taking you inside my 70 acres of development. How exactly this 70 acres of a development is going to transform this whole market because of its ambience and its creativity. So first, I will be taking you through all the amenities that we are designing inside. So these amenities are purely based upon our vernacular architecture. So apparently, when you think about the Dapulisa location, आपके दिमाग में आता है कि people would have constructed their houses based on the stones, red bricks, or maybe on the woods. That's exactly what we are taking inside the development also. So this will ensure that your maintenance cost has a very minimal maintenance cost. Why? Because it is helping us to sustain and have a cost-effective construction. So this is the very first element, that is community center, a kind of a play area that you can talk about right from your adulthood to your children, that consists of co-working space, music or dance center, and open air spaces to sit around. Then comes your second element, that is your aqua zone, a very beautiful, a big kind of a swimming pool, which cannot be just called as swimming pool, hence it's called as aqua zone because it is covered with all the gazebos, a theme of greenery and waters. An alternative image. Then you get to see the wellness center. Now, wellness center consists of a meditation pergola, spa, and an indoor gym. So here you can see a bird eye image of the wellness center. The center part that you are seeing is complete of your wellness center. So inside room that you can see is something where you have your spa and an indoor gym, and outside you can easily enjoy your meditation pergolas. And it's being surrounded by all the plot developments that will be allocated to you. Then this is the botanical garden where all the lush variety of the plants have been
Rohit, you are not. I think there is some technical issue. Kaushik ji, are you there?
Yes, we can continue. I'll just share my screen.
okay.
Rohit, you are back. Yes, Rohit, please continue.
Okay. I guess there was some net issue.
No problem, Rohit.
Okay, is my screen once again visible?
Yes, right.
Great.
So we were at Botanical Garden.
Acha, okay. Okay, fine. So here I was talking about the botanical garden. Now, what exactly botanical garden has to offer you? It has to offer you the element of having a lush variety of plants, indigenous stonework. So apparently, Dapoli as a market, as I told you, it's a part of the UNESCO World Heritage because multiple bird species are found. So exactly that same thing will have a continuation in this development also. So जितने भी species के birds हैं यहाँ पे आके बैठेंगे, then you will enjoy all the chirping sounds of those birds, and you can have that relaxation movement. Then here is your multi-sport play spaces. Apparently an element starting from futsal turf to a mini cricket pitches, basketball court. So right from a smaller kid to an person, everyone can enjoy some of the other amenities. And once again being surrounded by all your plots. Now this image seems to be a very normal image that you see in your daily basis life. But trust me, here it is the very biggest key USP of my development. Because if you want to buy a groceries, a hardware, or even essential medicines, everything is present inside the development. So proper convenience outlet of ground plus one floor is available inside the development of 70 acres itself. And as I earlier told you, that's going to be a smart security and app-based security system. So you can easily access your property sitting right across any corner of the India. And here comes my complete 70 acres of the development layout plan. So all the amenities that I was just talking about, ऐसा नहीं कि जैसे क्लब हाउस में देखते ना एक जगह क्लब हाउस बनाए सब बना के छोड़ दिया वहाँ पे, वैसा नहीं है. Here we are spreading out all the amenities. So number one amenity is itself your sports wala thing. Then second you have your aqua. Third you have your community and your wellness center. And then you have your botanical garden at number 4. And all the light green colors with white blocks that you are seeing, those are the plot areas which are apparently for which we are taking an application today, and the month of February we will be starting with the allocation. So now let me take you through that how exactly you, your family, your relatives, your friends can go ahead with an application process, can become a part, can start becoming a part of this development. So here you have a simplified inventory. We have divided inventory into 4 major parts: Aqua, Laguna, Oceana, Avente Grand. So Aqua is a 2,500, Laguna 7,500, Oceana 25,000 square feet, and Avente Grand 50,000 square feet. But there's no restriction. If you guys wish to make any combination to this, you can. If you want to make a combination of 2,500 plus 2,500, maybe 25,000 plus 7,500, everything is possible. You just keep on multiplying by 2,500 into 2, 3, 4, 5. So today, when you you really wanna apply, you have to go ahead with a pre-booking form. The pre-booking form is a very simplified form that is available on our website itself. You just need to click. It's hardly a 2-page document, a form application. You just put your basic details, proceed with the token amount, and your application has been submitted. Now payment. The payment that you are making today for the application, it's completely refundable. So the day in the month of February when I start with the allocation, if that day there is something that you don't want to continue because of any reasons, definitely you can demand for your refund policy. But I'm very sure ऐसा होगा नहीं कि जो आज पैसा देगा लेने के लिए देगा, and definitely you will be ensure that you get the best product in the market. Once you have submitted your application, you will get a receipt immediately on the desktop and also on your mail ID. Allocation and registration both will happen in the month of February. जैसे मेरा allocation हुआ, you give me a confirmation, we will go ahead with the registration before the end of February itself. Your registration will be done, and your full payment and possession is something that will be given in somewhere in between the month of March and April. And at the same time, your complete payment will has to be demanded for. So let me take you a refresher that what exactly the codename Bliss has to offer you. जो भी अभी तक हमने बात की है. So Bliss is an evergreen asset that never depreciates. Bliss is a easy to own. It's a branded land by the sea, जिसका बहुत ही एक easy process बनाया गया है that you can easily apply and get something out from it. It's coming from a very reputed builder. That's the Abhinandan Lodha. He himself, as a name, he is known as a brand. Then we have a seaside lifestyle plot, which apparently very few options are available in the market today. And definitely a Dapoli. This is something that has been a hidden and unkept for all the investors. It has been a hidden gem for an investor. एक छुपा हुआ खजाना बोलते हैं ना, जो ढूंढ के निकालो कुछ बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती है. Exactly that same thing that Dapoli is offering you today. So when you look at this thing, this asset becomes a very priceless asset. इसका कोई कीमत नहीं लगा सकते यार. But still, if I want to sell something to you, I got to make it. I have to give some kind of a price to it. So how exactly I can price this thing? So let's look some market scenario. When we look at the Mumbai and when we go to buy some land, so apparently Mumbai mein there is nothing that can be availed. But in Lonavala, there is something that you can avail. So size that is of 2,500 square feet in Lonavala, it will more or less cost you 1 crore. And in top of that, it won't be a branded land, neither it would be a seaside. It will only be a local developer giving you a plot somewhere at the hill station. That's it. When we talk about the Alibag, where you will definitely get the seaside plot, but there you will have to invest 50 lakhs rupees, and once again only for the seaside, but not for the branded one. And then you have a Goa. Now in Goa also, once again you have to spend 75 lakhs rupees, but once again only for seaside and not for the branded one. So मेरे तो यहाँ पे brand भी है, seaside भी है, coastal hill station भी है, and नया market भी है. So how exactly should I be giving you that pricing? How to make you, how to give you a very easy to acquire process. So let me bring a pricing in front of you. Let me offer you 12.5. I guess it's the best. आपने 1 crore देखा, आपने 50 लाख देखा, आपने 75 lakhs देखा. In all those scenarios, now I'm bringing you 12.5 lakhs का pricing. I guess it's the perfect pricing that everyone will accept. But trust me, मैं आज आपको कोई price नहीं दे रहा हूँ. Today, this pricing will be starting from 28th of Feb 2021. This is the unit cost. Over and above will come your taxes and your stamp duty registration. So apparently ये pricing आपका चला जाता है 18 लाख के आसपास. That is 18 lakhs rupees. So what exactly today I'm offering? Today I'm offering you a price of 9,90,000 rupees. That is the unit cost. The all-inclusive cost, including your agreement value and your stamp duty registration itself, will become 12,52,000 rupees. Apparently जो आपका February के बाद से आपका जो unit cost होगा, आज के दिन वो मेरा complete amount है, including your stamp duty registration and everything. So 12,52,000 will be your pricing today when you go ahead with a booking with your application process. And this pricing is applicable only till 20th of September, because after 20th of September, we are mostly to close this whole application process. And even if though we are running the application process, the prices are going to be hiked. So go ahead. If you've liked everything, if you've understood everything, if you've got any concern also that you want to ask, take your phone, give a call to our sales team. They will assist you in a proper manner, and then go ahead with an application. Grab this opportunity, because this is the best opportunity ever a person can really grab upon. But one request to everyone: when you are thinking about investing, don't think about investing only for one plot. Think about investing for 2 aqua plots. That is 2,500 plus 2,500, total 5,000 square feet of an area. Why? Because this is something will be really very beneficial for you in the coming years. So today, as I told you, that today the pricing you are getting on the basic I will talk about. Let's leave for a timing. Let's leave the all-inclusive pricing. That is stamp duty वगैरह वो side में रखते हैं. Basic cost के ऊपर बात करते हैं. 9.9 and आगे का 12.5. So today the pricing that you would be getting for 2 units of aqua will save you 5.2 lakhs rupees when you compare it with the February का pricing. मतलब 9.9 plus 9.9 becomes your 18.80 का pricing. But in the month of February, the pricing will be more or less 25 lakhs. That's almost a differentiation of 5.2 lakhs rupees का जो आपको differentiation आता है. Henceforth, if you today invest in 2 aqua units, the second unit that you buy is almost becomes the 50% of the amount of what you're taking today as comparison with the February price. So February में जो आपको price होगा उसके 50% price पे आज आपको आपका second unit मिल रहा है. So don't take me wrong in terms of that there is any offer or something that is going on. It's purely the calculations that a person is to really calculate. जब आप February में आओगे 2 aqua unit लेने के लिए आप almost 42% ज़्यादा price पे करोगे. बट आज आप वो 42% सेव कर रहे हो आपके सेकंड यूनिट पे, मतलब आपका सेकंड एक तरीके से 50% प्राइसिंग पे आ रहा है. सो थिंक अबाउट गोइंग अहेड विद 2 aqua plots rather than just going with one aqua plots. So this was something exactly my whole of the offering. This was something my process. This was something my product. I hope that everyone would have liked this overall scenario, this overall prospect that we are bringing in the market. Everyone would be excited. So pick up your phone. Any queries you have, give us a call. Apparently we are open right now also. If you have got any questions, we are here to answer those questions, and then let's proceed with an application. So thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much. So Mukesh ji and Kaushik sir, if anyone has got any questions to us,
Sure.
Go ahead with that.
We'll take up with the question. Thank you, Rohit, for presenting.
Sorry, I was on mute. So thank you so much, Mr. Rohit and Kaushik. Rohit, you have explained each and everything in a great way. So we have received couple of questions from our customer side. So I will request Mr. Kaushik to reply one by one. So first question is coming from Mr. Anil. He's asking, what is the location advantage about the exact location of this project? Then everyone can easily understand.
Okay. So the very key USP of this development is that this is something very near to the Kolthare beach, a beach which is not very much commercialized, but not very less commercialized. It's a proper location where you can easily enjoy your period with your family. A place exactly when you talk about Goa, there is a North Goa, there is a South Goa. Apparently, both have got different scenarios. एक जहाँ पे pub है, एक जहाँ पे family का एक relaxation period है. That exactly here in a market you get to enjoy in Kolthare beach. Secondly, the nearby vicinities are surrounded by many upcoming infrastructure as I talked about. Right from your railway connecting to Khed is the nearest railway station from Kolthare itself. अगर आपको कहीं और जाना है खेड़ से तो आपको बाकी का दापोली मार्केट काफी दूर पड़ता है, but Kolthare is very nearby. Secondly, the state highway 6, which is apparently the internal road directly going towards Goa also, even that is just 10 minutes away from our development. So those are the reasons. So one, it becomes a personal reason. That is something your family and every that will enjoy the momentum. And second, your commercializing part, that is your infrastructure, the appreciation. Henceforth, you should really go ahead with this location. I hope this answers the questions.
Rohit, there was some internet issue from your side. Kaushik ji, I will request if you can explain from your end. Kaushik ji, are you there? Okay, no problem. So we'll ask from Rohit. Rohit, next question is coming from Mr. Nishant Shah. He is asking, how is connectivity to this land parcel?
Okay. So Nishanti, as it's just in my earlier question answer, I just told that the state highway 6 is just 10 minutes away from our distance. So apparently when you are, if you're coming from Mumbai or even if you're coming from Pune, so you reach at a destination named as Khed, which is apparently on the lines of National Highway 17, that is Mumbai-Goa Highway. Once you leave the Mumbai-Goa Highway, you come inside the Dapoli. In Dapoli, you connect with State Highway 6. You keep coming by that State Highway 6, then you reach at the Kolthare village, which is apparently in Sheetal Nagar. From there, you leave that State Highway 6, and in a period of just 10 minutes, you reach at a development. And the road that you take is proper road that you can easily take your car and drive down to our development, even at this moment also. So a very easy and convenient way to drive down.
Okay, so next question is coming from Mr. Neeraj. He's asking about who is developing this project. If you can explain about the owner of this land, then it will help us for all our customers to understand about the ownership of this project.
Sure. So this whole development is being done by Mr. Abhinandan Lodha himself. So Abhinandan Lodha is son of Mr. Mangal Prabhat Lodha, who is apparently the owner of Lodha Group, जिसका हर किसी ने development देखा है in Mumbai, Pune and everywhere. Mangal Prabhat Lodha has got two sons, Abhishek Lodha, Abhinandan Lodha. Both have got their separate entities also to maintain. So ये जो project है, this comes under only the name of Abhinandan Lodha. Henceforth, he is marketing this whole project under his brand name, that is House of Abhinandan Lodha. So the family is that same, which everyone knows about. But yes, this property is individually handled by Abhinandan Lodha. So the construction work, quality work, and the trust is everything still the same.
Okay. So next question is coming from Mr. Mangesh. I will request Kaushik ji to reply. So Mr. Mangesh is asking how we can reach to this place from Pune. Kaushik ji, you are on mute. Yes.
Sorry for that. Yeah, so if someone has to reach from Pune, it's the same road which you take to Goa. This is on NH66. You take NH66, you reach Ratnagiri, and before Ratnagiri is Khed. From Khed there is a diversion, and from there Dapoli is around 27 kilometers.
Okay. So Mr. Nishant is asking how far is the land from the sea?
So from this, sure. So Rohit, I'll take the Q&As.
Okay.
So from the sea, if I have to tell you, we have to maintain a distance of 500 meters from the high tide line. This particular land parcel, since it's on the cliff, it is at a distance of 800 meters. from the high tide line.
Okay. And next question is, who owns the land between this project and sea?
No, there is no one who is owning the project. This is a cliff which is there. So there is no one who is owning the land between them. You are at a tabletop, and this entire land belongs to us.
Okay. So, Mr. Devender is asking if you can explain about the exact location of this project.
So the exact location of this project is once someone reaches Dapoli. Okay, if anyone is going from Mumbai or Pune, from Khed you move inside, you go to Dapoli. From Dapoli, this is around 12 to 13 kilometers. This is a beach called Kolthare.
Okay. And Mr. Abe is asking, all plots are sea facing?
Yes. So just to set up the expectation right for everyone, this is an inclined land parcel which is there, right? So whenever when we do construction over there, and there is a limitation for the construction which is ground plus 1. So anyone who is constructing will get a sea view from the first or the terrace of their particular house.
Okay. Mr. Atish is asking, is this land under any Gram Panchayat ya Dapoli corporations ya any other?
This is under Gram Panchayat.
So next question is, Mr. Atish is asking, tree cutting permission is received?
Yeah, so Mr. Atish, all the permissions will be in place before, and hence we will get an NA for this. So you don't have to worry about the permissions. The reason we are calling it branded land parcel is all these things will be taken care of. So you need not worry about all these things at all.
And next question is coming from Mr. Jitendra Shah. He's asking, is this project on elevated land ya small hill ya any sea view from the project?
So it's a counter land. I believe Mr. Shah, right? Mr. Shah is asking.
Yes, Mr. Jitendra Shah.
Mr. Shah. Mr. Jitendra Shah, this is a counter, like the land is an inclined land parcel, a theater kind of. Yeah, so this is an inclined kind of line parcel which is there. And as you move away from the sea, the land elevates.
Okay. And next question is coming. Mr. Sumit Sharma is asking, is there a limit on height of the plot?
Yes, there is a limit, Mr. Sharma, on height of the plot. So it is G+1. You can construct up to 6 meters.
Okay. And Mr. Deshmukh is asking, water and electricity connections are ready?
Yes, so your electricity connection, water connection, everything will be provided.
Okay. And Mr. Mahesh is asking, will Aquaplot have sea view if someone construct higher one story before my line?
There is a limitation, as I said, for construction, so no one can construct above that. So hence, all the plots will have a sea view.
Okay. And next question is coming from Mr. Kushank Thakkar. He's asking two questions. First question is, loan facilities available?
Okay, just to answer that question, when we invite you there in the month of February after the allocation, we are going to introduce a product which is from HDFC, which is a plot loan. So
Okay.
under that, you will get a loan at the rate of 8 to 8.5%. And the LTA would be around 60% with loan tenure of 15 years.
Okay. And next question is coming from same customer. He's asking, drainage line will be in place for all plots?
Sorry?
Drainage line will be
Yes, yes, everything will be done by us, everything.
Okay. And Mr. Abe is asking, what about the allocation process and also how to ensure if I book it and I will get the plot?
So allocation process, how it works is right now you just have to apply. You have to pay that 99,000 rupees for a 2,500 square feet plot. In the month of February, when we allocate, we are going to invite you there. You see the plot which is allocated to you. If you don't like that plot, of course, we are going to give you alternate arrangements with that. And if not, the worst scenario will be you cancel with your full refund.
Okay. And Mr. Brijesh Shukla is asking, how is the maintenance charges applicable?
So the maintenance charges is, Mr. Mishra, it is 5 rupees per square feet. So just to give you an example of a 2,500 square feet plot, The maintenance will be 12,500 rupees for a year.
Okay. And what is the distance between land and sea?
So we have already covered this question. It's 300 meters. So total is 800 meters, 300 meters from the high tide line, which is the cliff. However, the aerial distance will be reduced.
Okay. And Mr. Neeraj is asking when we can make a plan for site visit.
So plan is when we allocate in the month of February is when we invite you over there for site visit. In case in between, if you want to, I would not advise right now because it's a Mumbai-Goa highway, and we all know anyone who is going to Goa takes the Kolhapur route for now. No one goes from Ratnagiri, so the roads will be bad in monsoon right now. So not recommended. I would, even if you want to visit before February, I would request you to hold on for 1 or 2 months and then visit.
Okay. And all plots are sea facing?
Yeah, we've covered this question already.
Okay. So, and Mr. Nishant is asking how much ROI we can expect if he invests in this land.
Okay, so in terms of ROI, we have cited the example of Alibag to you, and Alibag 3 years back was transacting at 500 rupees a square feet. Today, transacting at 2,500 rupees a square feet. This land parcel, this is just open up, and today transacting at a pretty low rate of around 395 rupees square feet. At least you can expect that expectation. So I will ask you to be very pessimistic about it. Okay, I don't want to give you a very flowery picture. Though if you hold it for 7 to 8 years, you will get a good appreciation with the development. Rohit has spoken about BMIC corridor. So all these factors are there. But at least, if I compare it from an apple to apple, you can still consider in another 3 to 4 years, your current plot transacting at 2,500 to 3,000 rupees a square feet.
Yes. And one more question is coming from Dimple Sites because prices already explained by Mr. Rohit. So we'll request you to again explain the prices of 2,500 square feet carpet area.
Okay.
Sure. So Rohit, maybe we can project the price sheet, or I can do that. Just give me a moment.
Okay. So
I will just.
the screen right away. 1 second. Yes. Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, Rohit. Just visible.
Great. So first, let me explain that what are the areas and how exactly it has been bifurcated. So Aqua, Laguna, Oceana, Aventi Grand. Lot size 2,500, Laguna 7,500, and so on 25, 50,000. On that, the FSI you're getting is 1.27. So apparently your buildable area in future will become 3,175, 9,525, and so on. So here is the price sheet. So when we look at the basic of 2,500 square feet, you have a plot cost plus infra cost totals to agreement value of 11,40,000 rupees. Then comes your stamp duty registration, and your totals all in comes to 12,52,000. So this is your complete all-in price for 2,500, followed by Laguna of 7,500, that is 36,46,000, and so on. And accordingly, it will differ as per your preferences. So if you're going for 2 Aqua, that is 2,500 plus 2,500, your 12.52 will be multiplied by 2. That becomes 25 lakhs.
Yes, the price sheet is explained. So, hello, Rohit, I'm audible.
Yes.
Kaushikji, next question is coming. How far is the property
16
from the main
hours.
highway?
How far is this? Sorry.
This property, how far is this property from the main highway? What is main
So
highway?
from NH4, it's pretty close. From NH4, it's around 4 to 5 kilometers. If I have to compare from NH66, then as I said, from NH66, from Khed, you move inside towards Tapoli, which is 27 kilometers. And from there, 12 kilometers is
Okay. So Mr. Jashwant is asking, जैसे Feb में we are starting the allocation. So how much time they will get for the full payment?
So in terms of timelines, how it works is right now you make the application fee payment. In February, once you come and see the plot and you like it and you decide to go ahead, you proceed with the stamp duty registration. After the stamp duty registration, again, we intend to give the possession in the month of May, plus minus 1 month. and that's the time when you make the balance payment before the possession.
Okay, so many customers ask about the possessions. So means you already replied. When we are giving possession in the month of
May
May.
May
Okay.
2021.
Okay, so we are starting possession in May 2020. Okay. So next question is coming. How customer will, if customers are giving EOI right now, how customer will select the particular land? Is there any choice they will get? Yeah, what is the
So
process?
what we are doing is, of course, we will. So once we do it one to one, we are going to show you a Google map also. You can at least give your preference according to that. We are going to try and match that preference. Okay, so there will be plots near the sports arena. There will be plots near the wellness spa center. Just give your preference, and then accordingly we try and allocate that. And however, the final thing you'll get to know in the month of February.
Great. So Mr. Sham is asking about the status of the amenities and the clubhouse when it will get ready.
So when we are giving you the position, all the amenities will be ready. Clubhouse will be ready in the month of September as per the project management team.
Okay. And what about the maintenance charges? Many customers are asking same question.
So it's 5 rupees per square feet for a year. So again, to reiterate, for a 2,500 square feet plot, it's 12,500 for a year.
Okay. So, and Mr. Arun is asking, are we giving any assistance for constructing the plot?
Yes, we will be providing you names of couple of architects. However, there is no compulsion to go ahead with those architects. You can go ahead with our architects, or you can choose to get your own architect.
Okay. Great. So, Miss, we have both options, right?
Yes, yes.
So, if any customer, Mr. Jignesh is asking, if any customers want to visit nowadays, is it possible to visit the site right now?
Right now, I would, as I said, I would not recommend. However, if you want to, then maybe just inform us a day in advance, and we will arrange for it now. However, we are doing this as a special case only for bigger inventories. We are not doing it for 2,500 and 7,500 inventories. Okay. Anyone who's interested for a 25,000 or a 50,000, we'll be happy to arrange it.
Okay, so people are asking after constructing, they can give on rent. They can rent out their property.
Of course, they can. That's their property. They decide what to do with it.
Okay, great. So loan facilities there. Yes, KD asked same questions. Mr. Mukesh is asking if he booked 2 aqua plots, will it be 2 different bookings? Yeah, one also will be the plotting will be done separately.
Yes, it will be a similar thing if you book two, one adjacent to each other and make a jodi. It's a government norm which because of which you'll have to do 2 registrations for it.
Okay, but they can get they can make it jodi, right?
Yes, we will allocate it adjacent to each other. It's possible.
Okay. And Ms. Sina is asking, is this a freehold land?
This is a freehold land. Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Vikram asked same questions. Can I select any choice of plot? Yes.
You can give your preference. We will make a note of that preference. Of course, if I take preference from say 100 people, I'll be able to meet the preference of 80 people. Of course, 10 to 20 people I would not be able to meet because of operational challenges, and I will probably try and convince them for some other better unit.
Okay, and Mr. Kishan is asking, what about electricity and water connection? It will be separate for each plot?
It will be separate, an individual electric and water connection.
Okay, and Ms. Anita is asking, is it RERA registered?
So RERA registered, it will be RERA registered, Ms. Anita. So February is when the NA will be there, and we are going to show the NA order with you. And that's where it is a mandate for us to make it RERA registered.
Okay.
So just to give an example, we have a plot over here just adjacent to this land parcel, which is a 16-acre land parcel. It is in the name of Ludha Padmavati. You all can always Google, and it's an open document which is available. You can check out the RERA, everything for that. So for that, the RERA is available. A few big companies like PropTiger, Makan are already selling that plot.
Okay, great. And Mr. Jinesh is asking, what is the time frame you expect to complete the entire amenities, which explained
So
by.
as I said, by September max is when we'll complete. Me is the possession. Only thing in terms of the clubhouse will be delivered by September.
And what are the facilities being provided on the plots? This question is from Mr. Deepak side.
So facilities will be in terms of the amenities as well as the facilities if you're talking about. So again, to reiterate, the electric connection, water connection, the internal roads, right? In terms of the amenities, the community center, the wellness center, the aqua zone, your gym, all those things will be available.
Yes, and Ms. Khyati is asking, what is the height of this land from the sea level?
It's 200 feet.
Okay. So if I have skipped any question, you can check Rohit from your end also.
It just shows Ms. Sean.
Dimple is asking if I have to book 2 plots, still I have to pay 99,000. Yeah, it will be how much?
So it's in the multiples of 99,000. For a 2,500 square feet plot is 99,000. Again, if you see in for on the screen for a Laguna, which is 7,500, it is 99 into 3, which is around 2,97,000.
Okay.
It's in the multiples of that.
Yeah, Madhav is asking same question for construction. Will there be any support? Yes, we are giving support, and our team will share the all architecture details at the time of allocations, right? And anything if I skipped, you can also cross check from your end, Rohitji.
Okay, Mr. Sachin Minde, I see, is asking. He just mentioned he's not getting answers. Okay, maybe okay, I'll just check. If I buy it for investment, can I rent it out as guest house? As I'm working in Bangalore. So, Mr. Sachin Mende, you can rent it out. Of course, as this regarding Airbnb, so you can rent it out. Okay.
Okay. So Bridges is asking about the maintenance. You told 5 rupees. So means for 2,500, it will be around 12,500 rupees for yearly, right?
True, true. Yes. NA, Mr. Mende, is in process. It will be given to you by February. Before you proceed with the stamp duty registration, everything will be available. We have already done a dip test for this with the 16-acre land parcel. So NA and all will be made available to you.
Mr. Sachin, you can ask if you want to ask more questions.
Maybe is it possible for him to talk to us?
Yes, he's asking what you said positions. So it will include with all amenities.
Yes, it will be with all amenities. Yes.
Okay. So people are asking, is it purely residential or commercial?
It is purely residential. The NA is for residential. It is purely residential.
Great. We can go through all questions again if we have skipped.
Some anonymous attendee who was there is asking, is it purely residential? Okay, whether Lodha Padmavati is also from the same developer? Yes. Yes, Mr. Anonymous, it is from the same developer. The brand, however, in terms of brand, this particular project, we have branded it as House of Abhinandan Lodha. That is in the name of Lodha Padmavati.
Almost we have replied all questions.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Mr. Kaushik and Mr. Rohit. And I want to again explain the process. After this webinar, our sales team will connect with every customer. I will show the screen after this, after completing it. You can note down the mobile number and email ID. You can drop all your queries on the email ID. We will reply and we will assign a closing manager to you if you are interested. So then I will request to grab this opportunity as soon as possible because we are going to close this window maximum by 20 September, right? 20 September is the last date. And after getting the EOI, we'll start the allocation from the for every month, and our prices will also increase, right? If anything I have skipped, you can download Rohit from your side also related to process.
I guess Mukesh sir and Kaushik sir both have covered everything. And I'm just looking forward to meeting you guys over the Google Meet or the Zoom, whichever you guys are comfortable, and going ahead with an application. So do contact as soon as possible and get your preferred choices.
Okay, so you all can note down the email ID and contact number. You can drop a mail. You can also reply on the WhatsApp number, from which you got the reminders, invitations. Our 4 dedicated managers are are there to assist you. So thank you so much for joining this webinar. Thanks to all of you. Again, thank you so much to Mr. Rohit and Kaushik ji for giving your precious time.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thanks
Thank
a
you.
lot.
Thank you.